Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Screed. Thank you very much for your question, Chris. And that question is liquid screed suitable for a garage floor? Floor will have 120 mil insulation under it. So I think what we could just do with knowing is what is the end use. So is it that it is to be used as a garage afterwards and it needs to be a wearing surface, or is it that the use is changing and there's going to be some floor coverings on there? So I think just to take each one of those scenarios in turn. So let's assume that it's going to be converted and used for other things other than a garage. So it's not going to be a wearing surface. So you're going to be placing some of the floor coverings on there, carpet, tiles, etc. So it's going to take the wear from the screed as such. So the floor coverings are going to take that wear. So for your options on there, perfectly acceptable. 120 mil of insulation. That's great. And no problems with screeds going on top of that. So you're looking at really two options on it. You've got the calcium sulfate screeds, so the calcium sulfate binder, and then you've also got the cementitious liquid screed, so cement based. So you've got two options there. Pretty much you're looking at a minimum domestically at 35 mil. There is a specialist product that, depending on the strength of the insulation, will go down to 30. But generally, the majority of the liquid screeds, you're looking at 35 mil minimum coverage. So that's the minimum coverage that you're looking at. So that's fine for the liquid screeds. Now, if it is going to be a wearing surface, so the surface is going to be used as a